Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. The selection of the right crucible is crucial to ensure the smooth operation of high-temperature processes. Silicon carbide crucible and graphite crucible as two common high-temperature resistant materials. Each has unique performance and application advantages. Both silicon carbide crucible and graphite crucible can perform well in high-temperature environment, but their heat resistance limits are different. ATCERA Silicon Carbide Crucible can easily handle applications with operating temperatures between approximately 1600摄氏度 and 2500摄氏度. However, when the operating temperature is up to 3000摄氏度, the graphite crucible is more suitable. Therefore, when selecting the crucible, it is necessary to first clarify the maximum temperature requirement of the operation to ensure that the selected material can meet the requirements. The properties of melting materials have a decisive influence on the selection of crucible. ATCERA silicon carbide crucibles are known for their excellent chemical stability, greater resistance to highly corrosive materials, and their ability to maintain structural integrity. Although the graphite crucible is resistant to high temperatures, it is more vulnerable to chemical attack in the face of highly corrosive chemicals, thus facing the risk of premature damage. In contrast, the ATCERA silicon carbide crucible is more resistant to such error. Contact ATCERA right now.